everyone, welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make this cute and fun style. Stay tuned. Now that the top of my head has been detangled with my Release My Curls detangler, I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair on each side. Who else braids their hair and it's like, oh my goodness, it is so freaking long? I mean, that shrinkage is real. It will get you every time. Number one rule, never be fooled by shrinkage, because most of us have super long hair, but you can never tell. Now that both sides of my head and the front is braided, I'm going to go ahead and just use some more Release My Curls detangler. My hair is already detangled, but the great thing about this is this leave-in conditioner does really great at defining my curls as well. So I really enjoy just adding a little bit of extra product, because who is not a product junkie that's natural? Let's be real. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and use some curl formation hair gel so that I can do a nice poof ponytail at the very top, and that way it's really laid down and I don't have any flyaways. As you can see, I kind of played around with this. I tried a couple different ways and then eventually just settled on making the poof kind of with the excess hair to the back. But now I'm just going to go ahead and define the curls in the back of my head, and I'm just going to spray it a little bit before I go ahead and add some curling custard to it. That way my curls are really popping with this hairstyle. The really great thing about these products is that I can actually layer multiple different types from the line on my hair without getting too much product buildup. You just want to make sure that you're constantly moisturizing and hydrating your hair with water in between each part or each product that you use. And as you can see, it really is defining my curls with the detangling brush and with the curling custard. This is also a great curling custard if you want to go ahead and finger curl your hair, or even if you wanted to make this a twist out or a braid out in the back of your hair to get a different curl pattern. That would work with this hairstyle as well. But you'll see that when the product dries that my curls are really defined by this product, and I love it. Alright, and this is the final product. You know, gotta get those lips poppin'. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really quick and easy hairstyle that you can wear, or if you want to do it on your kids' hair, it'll work fabulously. But I'm so glad that you guys have watched this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share this video, and make sure that you are following me on Flourishing Tresses on Instagram. I can't wait to see you guys back in the next video. Let me know if there's any hairstyles that you want me to do so that you can see a tutorial on it. Bye guys.